Welcome to all. Now I am tell about to change your phone number in your Aadhaar card. You can visit an Aadhaar permanent enrollment center. Fill out the Aadhaar connection from provide your biometrics for authentication. Make the payments. Receive an acknowledgement slip with the update request number URN. Track the status of your request using the URNR by calling UIDAI apostrophe S toll free number 1947. After the update is complete, you will receive an SMS confirming the update. You can also update your mobile number online through the Aadhaar self-service update portal or by logging on the UIDAI website. Additional details: you can locate an Aadhaar permanent enrollment center using the UIDAI apostrophe S official websites. You can only link one mobile number to your Aadhaar. There is a charge of ₹50 to change your mobile number. You do not need to bring your old number or any other documents to update your mobile number. Thank you.